Hello everyone. Children, today I am going to teach you Moral Science chapter 1. All of you having know this book? I am sending this picture. The book name Grow with Values. This book only you have to open and then you will see chapter 1. Keep practicing. So let's start chapter 1. Sprinkle the seeds. Before we started, here some lines are given that is introducing about practicing. So I'm going to read. Everyone see. No matter what your talent, hobby or dream is, you need to practice to become good at something. Even those with natural talent need to practice to get better. To really succeed, you need to practice efficiently over and over again to invite the desired perfection. Students, it means usually you keep in practice if you already know how to do whatever you are practicing. You might be experienced or you might be a beginner. So the conclusion of this lines that you don't give up, you have to continue your practicing, then you will get your success. Now come on the story. Famous singer Keshav Kumar was giving an interview after his private album Eyes on God hit the stores. It was a super hit. Everyone was found humming the songs sung by Keshav Kumar. He won the award for the best playback singer for the present year. So, how are you feeling after the phenomenal success of your private album Eyes on God? Asked the reporter. Good, said the singer. I thank God for whatever He has given me. What is the reason behind your success? Asked the reporter. Reason is Keshav Kumar paused for a moment and then said, let me tell you a story. Long time ago, a train stopped at the small town of Rampur. On the train was a strange guy with a big suitcase. His name was Chotu Ram. The strange thing was that, like his name, he was short in stature, shabby looking, and was accompanied with a violin and a big suitcase in his hands. Students, here I am going to clear you all that first I am reading the whole story, then I will explain or summarize the story because it's moral science, no? So I will summarize the story and I will tell you. So listen very carefully all the pronunciation of the words. Line by line I am reading, so you also read silently along with me. Now come on that line. What made him most unusual was the fact that whenever he needed to communicate, he did it by singing a tune. It didn't matter to him whether it was simply a matter of answering a brief greeting like good morning. He would clear his voice and respond, good morning to you. No one could get a normal spoken word out of him. Making a conversation with him meant hours of listening to a musical man, which irritated people. People started ignoring him. Small boys made fun of him. They would start singing in a funny tone whenever they saw him, but Chotu Ram always smiled and ignored their comments. No one can knew how he made his living, for they always found him wearing shabby clothes, playing violin. People often treated him with an attitude of indifference. One day, a rumor spread around town like wildfire that Chotu Ram had secured a role of playback singer in the movie The Light of Stars. Everyone in Rampur went to see the movie after it was released. The music was awesome. They couldn't stop praising him. When Chotu Ram was interviewed by reporters, he answered their questions by speaking rather than singing. And he did it with great civility and with a clear and pleasant voice. From that day, Chotu Ram became Keshav Kumar. He gave up singing at all hours and in all the conversations. Now, he did it only during his playback singer, stage performances, and world tours. The reporter sat in amazement. He just couldn't believe that the famous singer Keshav Kumar once used to sing on streets. But why did you used to sing each time you needed to speak? Asked the reporter. The singer replied, "Practice, young man, practice. I was practicing each moment, every second, for I knew I would get a chance one day, and that day I won't get any time to practice, as I would have to perform and reap the benefits of what all I practiced till that time." Little did people know that he only got the chance to be a playback singer because the producer had heard Chotu Ram singing when he was going through the streets of Rampur. Alright children, I have finished reading of this story. Now I am going to start the summarize of this story. So listen very carefully this story. Keshav Kumar was a famous singer. One day he was giving an interview after his private album Eyes on God, and that album was super hit. He won the award for the best playback singer for that year. When the interviewer asked the question regarding the reason of success, Keshav Kumar narrated a story about Chotu Ram. Now listen the story very carefully. Chotu Ram was seen on the train at the small town of Rampur with a violin and a big suitcase. Like his name, he was short in size also and having shabby look, means dirty look. He was having unusual fact with him, and that was whenever he needed to talk with someone, he did it by singing a tune. Means he want to say good morning, then he started singing like good morning. So he did it by singing a tune. Like if he wanted someone to greet, he started greeting like good morning. His habit of this irritated people. People started ignoring him. People often treated him with an attitude of indifference. One day, people heard that Chotu Ram had secured a role of playback singer in the movie The Light of Stars. People of Rampur saw the movie and they couldn't stop praising Chotu Ram because his music was awesome. Now he answered the interviewer's questions by speaking rather than singing. From that day, he always started his speaking rather than singing. No, his initially he is only singing rather than speaking. Now, after his success, he started speaking rather than singing. From that day, Chotu Ram became Keshav Kumar. So, he has changed his personality and become Keshav Kumar. Actually, he was Chotu Ram. Now, started singing only his playback singing, stage performances and world tours. Now, he stopped 24 hours practicing, only he started singing on playback singing, stage performances and world tours. The reporter was amazed to hear all these facts related to Keshav Kumar. The interviewer further asked to the Keshav that why was he used to sing each time instead of speaking. Keshav replied, I was practicing, dear. Always I was practicing. Each moment, every second, for I know I would get a chance one day to do something better, or you can say best. So I am always use my time to keep practicing, and that time I won't get any time to practice. If I will get any proposal of singing, so that time to I don't get any time for practicing, so that I'm using my all the time, every moment, every second, every minute to keep practicing. So that children, you must learn about the moral of the story, that we should don't give up. If we want to get success, so we should always keep practicing. You keep in practice if you already know how to do whatever you are practicing. It's better, children, in study time also you all have to do practicing. Is that clear? Thank you, class.